So in a live I was doing yesterday, I had a comment that many of my viewers don't know how to use the Like to Know It app. So here's what we do. When you're looking in your Instagram feed and you see, for example, this picture, which is the one that I posted today, it will say underneath in the description, it'll say to follow Charleston Makeup Artist in the Like to Know It app to shop this look. So you go over to your Play Store, and you download the app Like to Know It. I'll show you. Go to the Play Store. So I've loaded the Play Store. I look for Like to Know It. I put it in the search and it pops up. And because I already have it installed, it wants to know if I want to open it. So I'll open it, and up here in the search bar you can search for whoever you want to follow, and usually they'll tell you underneath the picture what they're listed, what name they're using on the Like to Know It app. And in my case, I'm using Charleston Makeup Artist, which is right there. It says that right there. So it'll load all the pictures that I've done. So there's the one I did today. There's the one I did yesterday, and so on. So let's say you want to shop the one that I did today, which is Not So Short Shorts. I'm sorry, there's a glare. Let's see if that helps. So underneath, you'll see a list, you'll see pictures itemized of the pictures that are up here in the collage I did on my Instagram. So let's say you like the t-shirt. So you thumb through until you find the t-shirt, and there it is right there. So you tap the t-shirt, and then this screen pops up, and you hit shop. You can share it with a friend. You can share this top with your husband and say, I want this one. And then he can purchase it for you. And you can hit, but this is what I want you to do. I want you to hit shop now. And it takes you right to where that item was. There, it's listed. And it takes you right to, and in this case, it's the Buckle website. And then you purchase your t-shirt. And I get a little bit of commission for that. So let's do it again. We're going to go back to my Instagram, and here's my Instagram, my page on Instagram, and see all the collages I've done. So let's pick another one. Let's say you liked, I think a lot of you liked this bathing suit on this collage I did. So you go over to your Like to Know It app. I'll show you where it is on my phone. There's my Like to Know It app. Hit that. I thumb through the people that I follow, and I'm already under Charleston, I'm already following myself. And I look for that picture. And there's the picture. I want to see how much that bathing suit is and possibly buy it. So I go down here where the items are listed, they're itemized. There's the bathing suit. I hit it. I want to shop. And it's at Walmart. And the bathing suit is $24.96. And then you add it, you buy it. And I get a small commission, which pays me for getting up in the morning and coming up with a creative picture for you to enjoy and possibly be inspired by. If you have any more questions about the Like to Know It app, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. I hope y'all have a great day.